So today we want to pick up where we stopped last time. Maybe you remember I showed you how you can set up a callback request with BABELFORCE Manager app. What I didn't really investigate yet was how you might update your tickets. I only showed you how you can send an email to your service to confirm that a callback request was made. But now presume you're using Zendesk, just for instance. And today I want to show you which events you need and how you need to update your ticket in order to have the callback request reflect in the ticket created for the call. So first of all, you of course have to set up the whole callback setup. So you need an input reader, you need a switch node, and if a customer confirms a callback, you remember you always go back into this kind of callback acknowledged application module. That's where we start. You need to set up a local action which always fires as soon as the call hits this module. It's the same as the email action, as you might remember. So what's happening here? You have the action that always happens in the beginning, so before the module actually plays. It will in any case happen, so with the trigger always, and the action here is update ticket. It's update Zendesk ticket. Under general, you need to select your integration, Zendesk integration, and that's the interesting part now. Ticket subject, in my case, is please call customer back. Please call customer back with number. You can also add the call from number expression. This makes it easier for the agent to call the customer back, but for instance, if you already know the customer, you have the number in the user account anyway, and of course BABELFORCE creates a new user with the phone number, so you would also know which customer to call, but of course it's always a little nicer to have the number in there as well. The last thing I would always do as well is add a tag. In this case it's callback. Of course it's a reporting thing. If you're not using Zendesk for reporting, or if it's not important for you, you don't need to set a tag, but if you want to know how many callback requests you got, remember to set the tag. So then you save this action, and there's just one more thing you of course need to have before this works. Make sure you have these events. So you always need to create, first of all, look up the end user and create a new ticket. That's something you can check in our previous videos. We've explained the call to ticket events before. So now let's give it a try. So here I'm calling the hotline, and of course the customer is going to wait a little in line. I just confirmed a callback, and let's see, there's the ticket. As you can see, I created a ticket. I always call it test, and when it was created, generally here you have the comment I just told you about, and the customer who requested a callback is called Sarah Eagles. And there you also have the phone number of the customer as well. So have fun creating your own automation.